Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about top 10 IT companies in India. Guys, this channel is mainly created for IT companies information, food and travel videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe.
Oracle. Oracle Corporation is an American multinational software company headquartered in California, US.
This company sells database software and technology, cloud engineer systems, and enterprise software products. Capgemini. Capgemini is a French multinational corporation company that provides consulting, technology, professional, and outsourcing service. It is headquartered in Paris, France. Capgemini has over 270,000 employees in over 50 countries. Deloitte. Deloitte is one of the big four accounting organization and the largest professional service network in the world. It is headquartered in London, UK. Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra Limited is an Indian multinational software company which provides information technology service and business process outsourcing. Anand Mahindra is the chairman of Tech Mahindra, which is headquartered at Pune and its registered office in Mumbai. Wipro. Wipro is an Indian multinational corporate that provides information technology, consulting, business process services. It is headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. IBM, International Business Mission Corporation, is an American multinational technology company headquartered in New York with operations in over 170 countries. Cognizant. Cognizant is an American multinational corporation company that provides IT services, digital technology, consulting, and operation services. It is headquartered in New Jersey, United States. Accenture. Accenture is an Irish multinational professional service company. It is headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. In 2019, the company reports revenue of $43.2 billion with more than 492,000 employees. TCS, Tata Consultancy Service Limited, is an Indian multinational information technology service and consulting company with headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It operates in 149 locations across 46 countries. Infosys. Infosys Limited is an Indian multinational corporation company that provides business consulting, information technology, and outsourcing services. It is headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka, India.